In restaurants, mistakes happen. Maybe the wrong payment method was used, a guest forgot to order something, or an item needs to be fixed after the check was closed. Instead of voiding or refunding, Percent POS lets you easily reopen the sale with the Pullback Transaction function, so you can make changes as if the check was never finalized. To set it up, go to the System menu, then open the Setup menu, and select Button Editor. From here, locate Panel 50, also known as the Manager menu. Choose an available button slot, and from the Function drop-down, assign it to Pullback Transaction. Next, configure the function settings. The recommended lookup type is Transaction Grid, which displays transactions in a clear list format with details like hold ID, transaction number, date, time, and user. You'll also see optional filters such as limiting pullbacks to today's transactions only, or showing only transactions created by the logged-in user. Once you've set your preferences, click OK, then save the panel changes. Now you're ready to perform a pullback. From the Sales screen, open the Manager menu and tap the Pullback Transaction button. A list of eligible transactions will appear. Keep in mind that only transactions from the current shift can be pulled back, and each transaction can only be reopened once. Select the transaction you want and confirm. The system will reopen it as though it had never been finalized. At this point, you can make changes, whether that means adding or removing items, adjusting prices, changing the payment method, or even canceling the transaction entirely. A couple of important notes. Since pullback involves completed sales, it's best to keep this function restricted to management or trusted staff. And always double-check the details before confirming. You want to be sure you're reopening the correct transaction. Remind staff that pullback is not a shortcut for sloppy order entry. It's a correction tool for genuine mistakes. When used properly, it helps keep records accurate and ensures a smoother experience for your guests. With Percent POS, the Pullback Transaction function gives your restaurant the flexibility to fix errors without unnecessary voids or refunds, keeping operations clean and efficient.